Good afternoon. My name is Elaine. I'm an artist. I paint in acrylic. I'm a member of the Greater Nepean Area Arts Association, and I will be bringing my paintings at the museum for the Linux and Addington studio tour. I hope to see you there. So the paintings I will be bringing are mostly paintings with flower themes. My paintings are a bit more whimsical than you would see. I'm not a realist painter. I'm a semi-abstract, whimsical painter. And I have a series of paintings of flowers that cover different times during the day. This one would cover the night. This one would cover after a rain. This one would cover during the day, during the afternoon, during the heat. So quite a few paintings, and they're all in a whimsical style. I also do some aprils from segments of my paintings. This is one. This is like a poncho. It's 100% wool. I have scarves. I have tote bags. I will be bringing some with me at the museum. So hope to see you all there, and I hope you really enjoy all the artists exhibiting on September 9 and 10 at the studios and at the museum.